Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how you can send your own custom notifications on Windows using Python. These are little pop-up messages that appears on the corner of your screen. They are really useful and handy in case if you are creating your own custom apps. You can use them as a reminder or an alert. Let's imagine you are creating your own video editing app and you have just hit the render button, and this rendering process took a lot of time to complete. So instead of staring at the screen and waiting, you can send an alert when rendering is done. Now let's implement it in Python. The first thing is we have to install the library. For this, open your command prompt, and to install the library, type here pip install and the name for the library, which is win10 toast. Press enter. I have already installed this library in my PC. Now go into Python file. So the first thing is we have to load the library. So type here from win10 toast. We have to import the toast notifier class, and the second library we have to import is the time library. Now we have to create the object from this class. So create a variable here with the name of toast is equal to, now call this class and create a set of small brackets. Next, for example, I am rendering the video, so I have to wait for 5 minutes until the rendering is complete. So I am going to simply print here rendering video, please wait, and this rendering will be complete in 5 seconds. So I have to put here time.sleep for 5 seconds. Next, when the rendering is complete in 5 seconds, then I have to send the notification. For this, you have to use this variable toast, and you have to call the function show toast with a set of small brackets. So here in the first argument, you can pass your custom notification. For example, here I will say that rendering completed. And in the second argument, you can pass the duration, like after how many seconds this notification will disappear. I will put here 5 seconds. And in the third and the last argument, you have to set the threaded variable and you have to set it true. So it means it will not block the rest of your program until the notification is disappeared. Now in order to test it, simply save your file and go in the terminal, and to run the file you have to type your Python and the name of the file, which is test.py, and press enter. And here you can see that the rendering is going on, and after 5 seconds you can see in the pop-up here that the rendering is complete. This is it for today. See you next time. Bye bye.